Hi everyone, I'm Roberto Coscia, and in today's video I'm gonna show you Augment Code. You might have seen videos that I've done previously where I built applications with it and I compared it with Cloud Code, with Cursor, with different other coding IDE and tools. Today, what I want to do is to rebuild, which is actually what I've already done, is to I rebuilt an ATS web application, uh, basically an ATS optimizer, which basically help people to import their CV, to get the job application keywords, and to use those keywords to then recreate a CV which is ATS proof. Um, it's not something I finished to build, rebuilding it, which I which is something I finished earlier with some errors. But my attempt to rebuilding it with Augment Code was to actually find better strategies to build web applications, and further feedback that could allow me to create a better workflow to build the web application, which I believe I succeed, and that's why I attempt to show you Augment Code IDE to show its power, its benefits, but at the same time to probably show you an interesting path workflow and thoughts why I built while I built this web application. Um, First thing is that uh, often when we build features in Augment Code or with any other AI tool, we deliver too many instructions to the AI coding tool, which ultimately uh, bring to make errors easily. It is important to plan things step by step and focus on the earlier details and to build the application step by step rather than giving it all at once. This is something very important to tell to whoever would try to build web coding, web applications, because it is a recipe for failure if you do it um, in a way that you actually deliver the AI most of the responsibility to build your application. You need instead to have in mind very clear what you need to build and how to achieve a result step by step. Uh, Probably it will be easier to show you practice, but first of all, I want to show you that you can install Augment Code in VS Code, just digiting Augment in extensions, and then you can install it. It's something which I already done, but you can see the icon is this one, which once installed will be shown on the left hand side of Visual Studio Code. Then I want to show you what I built. I will show you this in practice, probably to understand better the problem. In the previous application, which is not this, when I was importing the CV, I was getting the mm, the text of the imported CV, which was not visible, first of all, and I would trust that it would parse it correctly. Then I would go to the next step where I would um, copy paste the job application, the company, and the job title, and then I would click optimize, and then automatically CV would create a preview and a download file of the CV updated. I was getting a lot of errors because the CV that was built was always not correct in some shape or form. It was not parsing correctly the data, the company name, the order, of each key achievement of each job experience. And basically it was a big mess, and I was even continuing to querying, prompting Augment code, and I was not getting to anywhere basically, until I realized that probably the problem was from the in the foundation, in the way I built it at the beginning the application, and the way I prompted the application, which was basically asking set of instruction altogether, which brought me to this loop of issues. Instead, this time I tried to be much more focused. For example, here I decided when import the CV first to parse and to visualize the CV, so to be more visual. So what I did, for example, when I import this, I get here the parse CV. Uh, so the text is all visible here. Okay, it can still be improved, but it is definitely a step ahead. Um, and here, what I did is to store each section of the CV separately with the help of AI agents that would separate concerns and the jobs. For example, here we have all the work experiences. So CL Labs, Paramount, all of the companies I worked in the past, so that I could, when I want to optimize the CV, I could actually refer to specific data inside the correct section. And the goal is to optimize the CV, building section by section, the optimized one, using then also the keywords that will be set and created with the help of AI uh, based on the job application. So for example, if I go to next step now, and you insert here the job title, company name, and job application, as you can see here, we get the ATS keywords first that you will be visualized below, and then you can click to optimize later, moving to the next step. This will allow then to optimize the CV and to prompt better the AI to build the CV from the ground up, considering the sections, considering the CV parsed as a whole, basically to have more details that I have control hmm, with. While before I didn't. I built something not much control with the code because it was not even visualized. The more you visualize the mm, what you the logic you want to build, and you separate the concern in a modular way, the easier will be to get to a solution to a problem and ultimately successfully build your web application, web, mobile, whatever application. It's something I wanted to show you. But anyway, just to show you, Augment Code allow you to use the agent mode, the chat mode, and the remote agent. What I've been using is the agent mode and the chat mode. The chat mode is the same one like Cursor and the other AI coding tool, where you can step by step um, prove or discard the changes that the AI gives you. The agent, you can give more freedom, and you can also insert the auto mode to allow AI to recursively give a solution until it fixes the problem that you asked the AI to fix. The remote agent is not something I used, but I believe is something related to the if you use some cloud solution. I didn't use it, so I will not talk really about it this video. But the agent mode is something I use mostly. I'm overall very satisfied about Augment Code, and I think it's the best AI coding tool out there, together with Cloud Code and GitHub Copilot at the moment. Um, and actually is the one that will give you the most satisfaction at the moment as agent. AI coding tool. Um, and what it also show, okay, I'm not using the pro version at the moment. Well, I didn't continue because anyway, it costs 50 euro per month. I wanted to make just a few videos with it and had goals that I believe that will be satisfied within the credits I have. But what is great about Augment Code, it is that not only it with the agent it can really use understand very well your code base and the context. It can index your code very well so that it can understand where to fix. But it is also good because it creates tasks and you can view the status of each task at each time and see the status progress. So you can basically create prompt, go to lunch, come back and view the status of the tasks. It's something you don't view here now because I didn't renew the at the moment the membership. I still think that it's very worth it to pay, even though I think 50 euros is a bit too expensive. I would really much prefer if I had the same credits with $20. I would be most likely uh, upgrading. But considering that I have ChatGPT and I have many other AI tools, I believe that I don't like the idea to pile or subscription to all of them. But if you have to choose, Augment Code definitely is a very valuable solution. And with this, I hope this workflow was helpful also for whoever want to build web application, web solutions with the AI coding tool. Um, Consider to like, subscribe to the channel, and push the notification bell so that you can view when I publish other videos related to the AI coding tool topics, AI news, and AI topics. And write a comment. Let me know what you think about Augment Code. It's very important for the algorithm. Any action you take is very, very important for this video to be viewed by more people and this channel to be viewed by more people too. Uh, and okay, that's it for today. See you in the next video.